Okay, so now that we have the filament loaded, we need to level the build plate. So what we're going to do is from the menu on the touch screen, we're going to hit Tools and Level. And it says, please wait while the extruder and platform finish initial movements. So they're going to move around, and you just wait, and it's going to give you the next prompt when it's ready. So it's moving into position here. Now it says screw 3 nuts under the platform anti-clockwise until you can't tighten them anymore. Then tap OK button. So I'm turning them counterclockwise until I can't turn them anymore. Don't over tighten. You'll feel when it snugs up, just let it be. Tap the OK button. Are you sure you can't finger tighten these nuts anymore? I'm going to hit yes. Verifying the distance between nozzle and plate. So the extruder's moving over, and here it's touching off to see the distance. It's verifying. It says unscrew corresponding nut under platform clockwise until hearing a steady beep. Oh, so this is the corresponding nut, the one that's underneath where it's working right now. I'm going to begin turning it clockwise slowly. It says until hearing a steady beep. The platform is raising as I'm turning it clockwise. There's the beep. It says please tap verify button to check whether the distance is appropriate now. I hit verify, verifying the distance between nozzle and plate. Please tap verify button to check whether the distance is appropriate now. It looks good. I'm going to hit verify. It says verifying the distance between the nozzle and the plate. Please tap verify button to check whether the distance is appropriate now. Verify. Verifying the distance between the nozzle and the plate. Now it's moving up and down to verify. Screw the corresponding nut under platform anti-clockwise until hearing a steady beep. So I turn it a little bit counterclockwise. There's the beep, and I hit verify. Verifying the distance between nozzle and plate. It's checking. It's moving up and down. Tap OK button to next point leveling. So I'm going to hit OK. And now the table's moving down. Now it's moving to this point here to the right. Okay, so verifying the distance between nozzle and plate. Unscrew corresponding nut under platform clockwise until hearing a steady beep. So I'm going to go clockwise with this nut. And here it's coming up. There's the steady beep. I hit verify, verifying the distance between nozzle and plate. It's checking. Tap OK button to next point leveling. So I hit OK. Now the nozzle is moving back And it says verifying the distance between the nozzle and the plate. Unscrew corresponding nut under platform clockwise until hearing a steady beep. So here's the screw in the back. I'm going to go clockwise with it. There's the beep. Please tap Verify button to check whether the distance is appropriate now. So we'll hit Verify. Now it's going to verify the distance. Table's moving, it's measuring. It says completed. So I'm going to hit the Finish button. And we should be done with the leveling. Okay, so now that we've leveled our build plate, let's do our first sample print job. So from the menu here, let's go to, let's see, Build. And you have internal memory, and also this is your USB. It says no disk. So if you want to put something in here on the side of the printer, you have, there's your USB port for the flash drive that comes with the printer or your own, and also the cord plugs in here, the USB cord for hooking it up to your computer. So go ahead and plug the flash drive into the slot, and we'll bring this back around. And it has the same model preloaded on the flash drive as what's in the internal memory, but you can use the flash drive for whatever other models you download yourself. It's got a few models here. I'm going to pick, this is a snake, and I'm going to hit Build, and then now it's going to go ahead and move the build plate and the extruder into position while it's heating up the nozzle. And when the nozzle is heated up, then it's going to go ahead and start printing the job. Okay, so now it's approaching the temperature, so it's going to begin printing the job. Now the table's coming up. There it goes. Nozzle's going into position. And it's starting to print it out. Thank you for choosing Delaney Drafting and Design, and happy 3D printing.